Viewers can leverage extended functionalities from both data discoveries and presentations, and these are functionalities that extend beyond the classic data analysis tools. Extended functionalities are exposed from the context menu, and we'll start by looking at actions. Actions are used to jump from the current presentation or data discovery to another one or to a given URL. And if they've been configured in the report that you're looking at, you'll see them underneath the Actions submenu. So just click on the action that you want to perform. And here we see that this jumped to another data discovery. The next function I want to look at is conversations. Conversations are used to create threaded discussions between users or roles based on specific items in a report. So you can start a conversation on a data cell or on a member like Australia or United States, or on the entire report, so the entire presentation. Add your message and assign roles or users. And once you submitted your conversation, it will be shared with the recipients, and you'll all see the conversation in your conversation board in the Content Manager. Next, we have alerts. These are scheduled alerts that let us know if the value in a given data point has changed. So we can set the condition if we want to be alerted if the value goes up, down, or stays the same, if it changes by a given amount, and we can set the schedule. So when the system should check the value of this data point, and we can decide where we want to receive our alert. If we send it to our bulletin board, we'll get it in the alerts board, and we can configure advanced options if we want to share this with other users as well. Next, we have Analyze Further. This is used to open the query in Discover Lite, where we can change the query and manipulate it, and then we can save our changes to our own personal content folder. We're going into detail in this in another video, so I won't spend too long there now. And finally, we have Subscribe. We can configure subscriptions to export a given data discovery or presentation and send the exported output to ourselves on a scheduled basis. So we can determine the schedule, and we can send this to our bulletin board or to our email. If we send this to the bulletin board, we'll see our subscriptions in the subscription board. So this is a really good way to stay on top of content that we're particularly interested in. That's a brief look at the extended functionality that viewers can take advantage of. If you're interested in learning about where you can find the outputs of those functions like alerts or subscriptions or conversations, check out the video on the bulletin board, which goes into detail on that.